Yo, what's up everybody? This is John Face Moto coming with the installation video. Installing some bagger mirrors, fairing mirrors on a 2002 Yamaha Roadstar Midnight. It's got these mirrors off of Amazon. I'm going to mount them up so we can get rid of these stupid stock shit that's on here now. Clean up the look a little bit. So first we're gonna remove the outer skin on the fairing. So I just undo all these bolts and then I'll pick it up from there. Alright, outer skin's off. Now we're going to lay out where the mirror locations are going to go. Make our holes and get everything buttoned back up. Alright, I got holes laid out. I'm going to drill a pilot hole and then make my better to always drill a pilot hole, especially working with fiberglass or pretty much anything anyways. You never want to just jump into your larger size bit. Always, use a pilot hole. You have less chance of tearing out any fibers for fiberglass or chipping any wood or splitting anything. So just a pro tip. I went ahead and drilled my secondary hole. It's a hole designed basically to keep the mirror from spinning around. So it fixes, you got your main anchor right here, and then this is a secondary little, just like a dowel kind of deal that's incorporated inside the, I'll show you actually, incorporated inside the mirror, the little tab. There. That goes in, it keeps it from spinning like this, so you're not constantly adjusting it, because the final nut is going to be inside that fairing, so you won't be able to access it without taking it off. On the smaller holes, I'd suggest running your pilot, and then you can run, if you're going to widen it out a little bit, you can run a drill bit backwards. That is supposed to help from snagging any of the fibers and pulling it. That's not supposed to. Alright, so now I got the mirror through the hole mounted with the little, now I just got to put this little back spacer in the nut, and that's good to go. I'm not going to bother showing you the other side because it's the same thing, just reverse obviously. Yeah, it's simple as that. Line it up so your little tab sits in, and then put your nut on, it locks it down, and then you're good to go. That's pretty much it. I'll give you a shot when everything's buttoned up and finished. See you in a few few. All right, I got everything's wrapped up. Mirrors are installed. They look 100 times better than the stock slappy dipshit mirrors that come with the bike. Happy to get the bars cleaned up a little bit. I think it looks a lot better. These are fully adjustable. You feel the vision's just as good as the stock setup. I haven't noticed any blind spots or anything different than the regular mirrors. They're actually better than, I can see better with these ones than I can with the stock setup. I got it all buttoned up now. And that's pretty much it. This is John Face Moto. Once again, you can hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, share this video with anybody you see fit. This is a 2002 Yamaha Road, but they make a world of difference. This is on a USA trailer fairing, stealth fairing for the Roadstar. These are universal, though they'd fit on any fairing out there. But that's it. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.